Good morning, little girl. It's 1:30 in the morning, and look who's wide awake. With the hiccups, no less. Oh, isn't that cute? There you go, Hick.